Hey guys, this is Anirban here, and I would like to say thank you to Astha. I recently joined her course, Blogging Launchpad, where I learned how to write blogs, how to promote them, how to market my service, how to reach out on LinkedIn or any kind of social media, how to build relationship, and yeah, overall, it was a great experience for me. And the most important part was personal mentorship. She helped anytime with my doubts, plus there was coaching calls, so it was super beneficial for me to understand how it worked. And of course the most important thing was the applied part. So I applied and got results. Currently I'm working with some clients as well, and a big thank you to Asta for our course, and I would recommend anyone to join her course. They will get the maximum benefit out of it. And if you are someone like who might get into content writing, so I would always suggest you to go for Asta's course. It's one of the best, and most importantly, the mentorship. Thank you, Asta.